Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by going straight to Settings and tapping General Management, then Date and Time. You need to act now. Turn off any battery saver because it may delay system changes. Once done, make sure you have a network connection, either mobile data when roaming or Wi-Fi, so the phone can validate manual entries when you change them. You're not setting the aesthetic clock yet. You're preparing the system so manual time and zone will stick while roaming. You now switch off automatic date and time and also automatic time zone. This is the crucial action that forces the phone to stop using the carrier's roaming time. After turning those off, tap to set the time zone manually and pick the precise zone for where you are roaming. Make sure network-provided time or similar carrier options are disabled for the roaming SIM. This prevents the carrier from overriding your choice and ensures your clock displays the time you expect while roaming. Finish by manually setting the exact time if the zone alone isn't correct. You set time and adjust hours and minutes. Once done, reboot the phone so system services reload with your manual settings, then reconnect to the network and confirm the displayed time. If the carrier still forces changes, try re-enabling automatic time briefly, then disabling it again, or remove and reinsert the SIM. These steps clear network overrides. If problems persist, test with Wi-Fi or another SIM to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.